What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Here we have the Nike Air Jordan 8 playoffs. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. It's been a long time. But I'm back at it again. This is the Jordan 8 playoffs 2023 edition. And the surprise about these is that they're actually pretty popular on release. If you look at the StockX statistics, you will see that they sold for profit for at least 3 or 4 days after release. Some sizes are still profitable, and that's a huge surprise to me because all my life I've been telling people Jordan 8s, excuse me, Jordan 8s are my favorite Jordans, and they tell me in return that's strange. That's not a popular silhouette. And so to them I say ha, because these are going for over retail. I know that's not going to last very long, but they're nice. I think I like them. I'm going to throw them on here in just a minute. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. There might be like a affiliate link to buy them in the description. I like Jordan 8s, they're colorful. I have a pair of confetti 8s myself. I don't think I did a video on them. I might sell them. They're for sale for sure, but I've listed them at a very high price, so they probably won't sell. The thing about Jordan 8s is that they're quite complicated. You have a lot of stuff going on. Velcro going in like 2 different directions with these cross straps. Some people wear them with the straps just loose. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of that. I'll show you an example in just a second. Like, they'll rock them with the straps not connected to their counterparts, so the straps just go on loose like that. I'm not gonna hate on that. It's not too bad. I like this little sock in here. It's pretty comfortable. It might make the shoe feel a little snug at first, but I feel like it'll open up. Quite a lot of stuff going on to get these shoes on foot for the first time. You gotta undo 2 straps. You gotta loosen the laces a significant amount. There will definitely be an affiliate link for some joggers and some jeans from Amazon that you could buy to make your sneakers look better. I mean, they won't make your sneakers look better, they'll make you look better wearing your sneakers. I'm just gonna tuck the laces in for now. So this is what I meant by people wear them without connecting the straps back. I'm not a huge fan of that. I'm gonna throw the straps back on right now. This one says Air Jordan on it. I don't know if you can see. The other one also says Air Jordan. Jordan! Now we got one on foot here. I'd say it fits true to size. It's pretty comfortable. I got a little bit of discomfort on this side because I think I have a large pinky toe, but it might just be me. All in all, I think they're pretty cool. Like, I always love Jordans with extra straps or like a big cover on top of the laces, just because they're a little bit more strange or unconventional, I would say. Like, I'm a huge fan of the 20s that had a strap going around here. The 19s, the 18s, they were fully covered. The 16s, I never had a pair of 16s, but I'm pretty sure those were also fully covered. As usual, we'll throw both on, do a little bit of a dance for you on YouTube so you can see how they look on foot. These are not loose enough yet. It does take a while to put shoes like that on because there's so much stuff going on. 2 different straps, the laces are pretty tight. There's a sock inside that makes it a little bit more difficult to throw the shoe on. Not gonna complain, I do like that they have all this accessory crap, but you'll see how they look in just a second. Here we have them on foot. Both shoes are on. It's Jordan 8. Playoff 2023 colorway. I did notice that the other playoffs, I believe they're from 2013, had a lot of sales on StockX recently. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to buy the 2013 shoe. They don't look that different. They're probably a lot more rare, but I don't look at these things as collector's items anymore, just because they're producing so many Jordans. I'm sure you won't do too badly on them if you keep them brand new and you try and sell them every few years, but I have little faith in the Jordan market these days. When I say little faith, I mean I don't think it's going to perform like it has in the past, but I'm sure it'll do okay. There's just too much stock in the market. I'm convinced that fakes are going through. I'm probably wrong about that. I know the dunk market is flooded with fakes. But to be honest, I've seen a lot of fakes and I've never really found anything that would fool me. But then how would I know if it was already fooling me? These are straight from a Nike retailer, so I shouldn't have any issues with them. I'm going to switch my pants here and then I'll let you know. You can let me know if you think they look better with jeans or with joggers. Regardless, there's going to be an affiliate marketing link to buy a nice pair of jeans or joggers to wear with your sneakers in the description below. Check that out. Before I switch up the pants, I just want to show you from this angle how the shoes look. I think they're pretty cool. Here they are with some Scotch and soda jeans on. I'm a fan of the way these shoes look. I don't generally wear a lot of Jordans these days. I primarily throw on a Presto or a Dunk. Or if I'm completely honest, like Birkenstocks. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Goodbye. The bottoms are pretty nice.